Today we're doing a plant unboxing from our own greenhouse of the plant called yellow turmeric. Now, full disclosure, this plant box has not been open for 5 days, and the reason why we've done that is because I wanted to make sure we duplicate the exact same situation and conditions as if we shipped it straight to your door. So what I want to do for a few minutes is explore the contents of the package and guide you through the process of unboxing and caring for your new turmeric plant. So let's get started. So as you can see, this package is sealed and secured, ensuring that your plant arrives in perfect condition. The smaller the box, the less likely it's going to get compressed or damaged on the way to your house. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. Inside you'll see a note that is directly from us, and it has our phone number. And also you see a perfectly healthy turmeric plant. What I'm going to do is actually take our note here and put it off to the side, because it's just growing instructions, and I'm actually going to let you see the plant and how it's packaged. And all I can see here is it's pretty much just taped down to the box, and really truly the only thing that moves is the leaves. The stem stays pretty still and sturdy, and I don't think there's a way it could actually get damaged on the way there unless something severely heavy fell on this box. The yellow turmeric plant is also known as Curcuma longa and is a member of the ginger family, and it's famous for its culinary and medicinal purposes. It's primarily known for its yellow-orange roots, which are known to make the popular spice known as turmeric. So what I'm going to do now is just take this out of the box and show how easy it is to get it out. You ain't got dirt flying everywhere. And still, as I'm taking it out of the box, nothing seems damaged at all. And what I want to do right now is actually take the packaging off the roots so you can see exactly where turmeric comes from, and it's harvested right from the roots here. And again, everything looks perfectly fine. This has been in the packaging for at least 5 days, and the soil is still damp. Before we proceed, let's talk about how to care for your new turmeric plant. Turmeric plants thrive in warm weather. They're tropical climates, so it's important to keep those same conditions as much as possible. So keep it in a well-lit area, preferably near a window that receives indirect sunlight. Water the plant regularly, ensuring that the soil remains moist and not overly saturated. Having said that, this plant does really well in zones 8 through 11, but if you live in any other zones, you need to keep it potted and brought inside during colder temperatures. Now, all our plants come with care instructions, and they always say to keep your plant in a well-shaded area for the first 5 to 10 days. And the reason why is because the plant has been in the dark for so long, and it's just being adjusted to the new light. Just imagine yourself going and staying in a dark room for a few days, and then all of a sudden coming out and seeing direct sunlight. It's the same concept, but just with a plant, and you'd harm your plant if you don't slowly transition it over. So now that I've told you how to care for your plant, let me show you how to transfer your turmeric plant into a suitable pot here. So choose the pot that allows for proper drainage. Most pots will work. It just needs to make sure you have enough room to allow your plant's roots to grow. So take your pot, and any potting soil mix will work, and fill it up about halfway, then add your plant. So take your plant and put the root ball directly in the center of the pot here, and just gently place any potting soil mix directly into the pot. Once you got your plant securely placed in its new pot, give it a good watering, and make sure that the water comes out the bottom of your pot. And that way, it makes sure those roots to your new plant are actually watered. A lot of people make the mistake of underwatering these, and the roots don't get enough water because the water didn't come out the bottom of those holes at the bottom of your pot. Remember, as your turmeric plant grows, you can harvest the roots to use it in various foods and recipes. Simply dig up the roots, wash them thoroughly, and use them fresh or dry them for later use. The distinct flavor of these plants are used for a lot of dishes. So there you have it. You have an unboxing and how to care for your new yellow turmeric plant. And I hope this video has been very informative and helpful. So now you can actually sit back and enjoy the benefits of your new turmeric plant.